Hey guys, this is JM Watts and I have an awesome magic trick to show you guys. But before I go into it, I want you guys to go down below and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for more amazing magic videos. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so for today's performance here, I want to have my sister here as a spectator here. Alright, and so what I'm going to have you do here, sister, is that I'm going to let you go ahead and pick any card.
Okay.
Any card. Okay, now I want you to remember and show it to the camera.
Okay.
Okay, now I want you to go ahead and put it right on top. Because then what we're going to be doing here is that we're going to be doing tons of cuts, tons of cuts, just like this. Alright, just losing it in the deck somewhere. I don't know what your card is. Okay, now I feel like this is shuffled pretty well. Now, do you see your card?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want you to go ahead and move it to somewhere, okay?
Okay.
And guys, I'm not looking, just to let you guys know.
Okay.
Got it? Okay, because then what we're going to do here is that we're going to go ahead here and just shuffle. Oh, sorry guys. But we're just going to just shuffle this deck here. So give it a few overhands. Oh. And then maybe even some cuts here. Alright, now I'm just going to go through it here and see if I can find your card. Is that your card?
Yeah.
The 6 of diamonds. And that is the performance, guys, and please stick around for the tutorial. Alright guys, so this is the tutorial for this magic trick here, and the background to this is that I learned it from a YouTuber named Card Shuffler 99. Super cool guys that do magic and teach as well, just like me. And this was a super cool magic trick that I just had to teach it for myself here, and I think this is really cool here, and it's an easy beginner card trick as well. Alright, so the first part of doing this magic trick here is that you would go up to a spectator and then you ask the spectator to pick any card here. So we'll just take this card out here, and it is the 4 spades. Alright, and so you will let them remember the 4 spades, but then what you're doing is that you're letting yourself peek at the bottom card here. So this bottom card here is the 9 of clubs, okay? So you're gonna do it secretly, like you can just do like a little twirl here or something, you know, and then you would go ahead and ask the spectator to go ahead and put it right on top of the deck. So the 4 spades goes right on top. Okay, so now what you're gonna do here is that you're gonna go ahead here and do tons of cuts. So you're gonna go ahead here and do tons of cuts here, and the reason for this is that it's just showing that you're losing the card, mixing the cards as well, showing that you're losing their card in the deck, but actually you're not really doing that, to be honest, because watch this. When I finish this last cut here, when I fan the cards, the 9 of clubs and the 4 of spades here are right next to each other. So when I fan it, that's the first thing I'm looking for, is this bottom card and the card to its right. Alright, and so then I'll just let the spectator just say okay. So I'll just let the spectator go ahead and move it. I'll just tell them move your card anywhere in the deck here if they see it. So yes, we see it. So now this is what we're gonna do here. Just move it. Just move it here. Okay. And then I'm not looking as well. So, and then they'll say done. Okay. So now we get it. And so now Card Shuffler 99's tutorial was that was just like right after they moved it, you just find it, oh here, here's your card. But I felt like it was just too bland, just to say that, move your card and then just find it like, oh hey, yeah, this is your card, But so what I did was that I added like just doing shuffles, just add shuffles here to show that you're even getting the card even more lost. And to be honest, you should have remembered their card already, because of looking at after you find the cards on the table like that. Alright, and so you can just go ahead like do overhand shuffles, and then you can even do any kinds of shuffles here, to be honest, to show that you're losing their card, just to show that just make it a little tougher on yourself to just find their card. And that's what I like about adding this pick, because it looks like you're basically losing their card, but when you go through it, like how I did in the performance, you just look through it, and then you can just pretend like you just still don't know it, and then boom, there's your card, the 4 spades here, just like that, and they'll be in shock basically. And I performed it to many of my friends here, and they just don't know how this trick works, and so I thought it would be a great way to show how I do this card trick, and yeah, just blow people's minds with it. And that will pretty much do it for this tutorial here and the performance here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for more GM Magic Watt videos. Alright guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys later.